All right, we're going to look at the book Chains by Laurie Halse Anderson, and we're going to look just at the first couple of chapters here that's over this course of a few days. And I'm going to keep this at the summary that it provides. It's going to be a fifth grade reading level. So maybe I'm doing this in that grade level. Maybe it's fifth, sixth, seventh grade. This is going to be kind of that spot. So here's the cover of the book right here. And then here's some of her other books right here. I'm actually going to take in a different image that I want my students to work with. So in the beginning of this, we do look at slave auctions. That's one part of the book. And so maybe I want them to analyze this image right here. So here's our long form summary. Here's our short form summary and some vocabulary words. Remember, I can always add more in there. I'm going to go to Get Student Activities. And there's a variety of things that I can do right here. One thing that I really like is let's see, I'm trying to find where here it is, text analysis. So if I'm wanting students to be able to use evidence from the text, this might be one where I go. So for example, I really like the Bokakucha setting right here, or the character. So these are ways that they can learn about setting and provide some textual evidence. So maybe I go with this one right here, and I'm going to customize it a little bit. So we have this reading where they could take notes, this one right here, and this just goes with the summary right here. So I could keep that on there if I wanted them to do something with it. I could also remove it. Like the Bokakucha right here. So they're going to describe the setting, and then 3 details or facts from the text, an image, and then they'll title it. I'm going to get rid of my multiple choice questions, but I'm going to add some more things in here as well. So maybe I want a 3, 2, 1 in there. Let's see. Maybe I want them to do a first then finally. Maybe I want them to make an inference about this, but I'm going to go a first then finally. Maybe I'll have them do that for their summary. Okay. And I have vocabulary words in there, and I can get rid of those as well. So maybe there's something I want up here. Let's see what other things might be beneficial for our reading right here. So look, got some Frere model for vocabulary right there. Maybe I do want to do a thin slide with that vocabulary where it's just one image with that. But I think we might be good right here. There's these turn and talks that can be in there as well. Let's see. I could put the notice and wonder again right there. I could do a social media style summary. So let's say I'm going to add this one here because I think this would be interesting in this. So this is going with that image right here. So perhaps again, I do move that more up to the top. Okay. So write a caption for the Instagram style post from the point of view of one specific person or group. And again, this vocabulary might not fit with this picture, but I can always edit that as well. So they're going to write their caption right here on this picture, and then 3 hashtags. So this would be a good one to kind of explain some of their thoughts and words on this image right here, and then create those hashtags for it. As always, I really like the open-ended ones, just as that's a way to have them kind of jot down their answer and then listen to what their partners say. So again, we export it and save it. And then we're able to open that in slides, and I can customize this still as well. So for example, okay, I didn't want these. Maybe I don't want the definitions here, right? Maybe I do want them to still fill out the vocabulary word. And maybe there's specific vocabulary that I want to use with this. one. I can edit that as well. Again, I can look and see, okay, I don't want this short answer question. I just want these two right here. Or I don't want this open-ended question. I can make those final edits right here and rename this and publish this for my students to use.